Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Attention business owners and digital marketers. Are you ready to turn your freelance skills into a profitable venture and desire your pockets to be brimming with never-ending wealth? Look no further, this is the product you can't do without. We've introduced a groundbreaking product in the trendiest and enduring niche. Begin an easy path to financial success without any trouble of making content and build wealth effortlessly. Owning this innovative product is like having the secret weapon to get the desired success. Find out how we earned lots of cash by selling this great, profitable PLR product. If we can succeed by selling products online and making a lot of money, what's stopping you from joining in as well? Whether you're a newbie, you should leverage the AI tool ChatGPT to write, develop, or do any other freelance work and generate cash. Introducing Make Money Freelancing with ChatGPT with PLR. This complete and well-researched training guide has everything you need to start your online business and make money. Our product is incredibly user-friendly, enabling everyone to initiate income generation without the necessity of specialized skills or expertise. This top-notch training guide will teach you to discover opportunities in freelancing with ChatGPT, explore platforms for ChatGPT freelancers, learn to set financial goals and manage your freelance income, catch on to analyzing market trends and identifying lucrative niches, acquire knowledge of creating your professional online presence and brand, and much more. This complete training guide makes it easy to uncover legitimate ways to make money from home using these easy-to-follow steps. So, here is exactly what you will receive in this amazing product. Module 1, Professionally Written Training Guide. Module 2, Professional Graphics. Module 3, Animated Banners. Module 4, High Converting Sales Copy. Module 5, Mini Sites. Module 6, Customer Sales Video. Module 7, Legal Pages. Module 8, Social Media Graphics. Module 9, PDF Graphics. Module 10, Swipe Emails. Module 11, Other Selling Materials like a mind map, cheat sheet, and top resource report. In addition, we are also offering you incredible and complete exclusive bonuses. Instant profit from PLR. Set up PLR product step-by-step tutorial. PLR product rebranding. You can begin earning money today and keep doing it for several months. So, get started today. Buy this product. Put your name on it. Sell and keep 100% of the profits. Ready to transform your business and skyrocket your profits. Take action now.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.